Welcome to a new video. Today, we will talk about the most famous nationalities in America and their distribution across the states. I mean, when you think of America, the Statue of Liberty and the White House come to mind, right? But have you ever thought that America is a country of immigrants? It's a mix from all over the world. In this video, we will talk about different nationalities that have contributed to the fabric of American society, from Mexico to China, and from India to Nigeria. We will learn about their locations in the United States, for example, why you find many Mexicans in California, and why the Chinese community is prominent in New York. Not only that, but we will also talk about their impact on American culture. Because honestly, there is no such thing as pure American culture. It is actually a mix of different cultures that made America what it is today. So get ready for a journey to discover America's diversity and rich history. Let's go! First, let's talk about the Mexican community, the largest group of immigrants in America. Just imagine, their number is more than the population of many countries. Of course, the main reason for Mexican migration is the geographical proximity, as Mexico is adjacent to America from the south. Not to mention the historical and economic factors that have led to continuous communication between the two countries. That's why you'll find Mexicans in every state, but the highest concentration is in the southern states like California, Texas, and Arizona. Now, let's talk about the Chinese community, the second largest Asian community in America. The history of Chinese immigration to America is very old, dating back to the gold rush in the 19th century. At that time, many Chinese migrated to work in building the railroads. Now, you can find Chinese people in every state, but the largest concentrations are in big cities like New York, Los Angeles, and San Francisco. Chapter 3. Let's talk about the Indian community, which is very unique and diverse. There are Indians who are originally from India, and there are Indians who are originally from Caribbean countries like Guyana, Trinidad, and Tobago. Indian immigration to America started in the 19th century, but it increased significantly in the second half of the 20th century. Now, you will find Indians in every American state, but the highest concentration is in New Jersey, California, and Texas. Chapter 4. Now, we come to the German community, which is one of the largest European communities in America. The history of German immigration to America is very old, dating back to the colonial period. In the 19th and 20th centuries, millions of Germans immigrated to America to escape wars and difficult economic conditions. Now, you will find Germans in every state, but the highest concentration is in the northern states like Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Illinois. Chapter 5. Let's talk about the Nigerian community, one of the fastest growing African communities in America. Nigerian migration to America began in the 1960s and 1970s and increased significantly in the 90s and early 2000s. Now, you can find Nigerians in every state, but the highest concentration is in southern states like Texas, Maryland, and Georgia. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about the most popular nationalities in America and their distribution across the states. As you saw, America is a very diverse country, and each nationality we talked about has its own unique impact on American culture and society. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content. And if you have ideas for future videos, write them in the comments below. Goodbye.